Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. The summertime.
I'm already gonna cry, so.
Okay, hold on, give me a second.
See if I can do it. Dear Erich, I can't believe the day is finally here and that I become your wife today. I can't wait for today.
It's a beautiful day, and made even more so by what we're about to celebrate. This young, energetic love. And you've all been part of it. That's why you're here today, to celebrate with them on the biggest day of their life.
Dear Alexandra, I'm at a loss for words. I don't think I can adequately describe what having found you, having you choose me in all of my flaws, and being able to have this privilege of taking this next step on this beautiful journey together with you means to me.
Oh my gosh.
You look great.
So do you.
Thank you.
All right.
Are you ready?
Showtime.
Okay.
Let's get it on.
Further down the shoreline.
This one at last is the bone of my bones, flesh of my flesh. See, some relationships are perfect, one for the other. So you have a special gift. And you know you have that special gift. And it's a gift meant for all of us too, to share in the joy of not just this day, but as your life unfolds. You're witnesses now to what love can be and what love can do for other people. People out there still waiting to find their special one. And you have it. And it's something to be very grateful for, and I know you are.
I know that God has had his hand in every step of our relationship. I'm so grateful that he brought me to you.
So instead, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being my best friend. Thank you for bearing the burden when it seems too heavy. Thank you for your kindness towards me and your service to so many others. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for that extra push to challenge myself to pursue our dreams.
Together we will make a great team, and I love the life we have built. The past few years have brought some of the most difficult challenges of our lives. Law school, a pandemic, and living across the country from one another. You have shown me more patience and kindness than I ever thought was possible. You have helped me during the saddest times. You're always ready to help me no matter what it takes.
Thank you for keeping the kid at heart alive and well within me. Thank you for being my closest confidant and co-counsel. Thank you for joining my family and giving me the opportunity to join yours. Thank you for you, and thank God for giving me you.
St. Paul says elsewhere in Scripture, love never dies or love never fails. This love is eternal. This love will exist beyond this world. It's forever. If we trust in the sacrament, you'll be given everything you need. It doesn't mean every day you'll be like this, full of joy. But the more you go through together, the stronger you become as one, and the closer you become in your love.
Masterpiece of love in the making.
I love you so much, and I'm looking forward to loving you today, tomorrow, and every day, Erich. Can't even barely get through that. So excited.
Wish I could paint him back again. 'Cause I could never let go of the love we had. And I'm terrified to tell you how I feel. 'Cause I can't breathe. When you're with me. Tell me again, don't keep it a secret.
I know you will be the most loving husband and father someday. You're my best friend,
Close your eyes, baby, we can be
Erich. I am so grateful, honored, and blessed to become your wife today. I love you and can't wait to see you soon and start her forever together.
I could never let go of the love we had. And I'm terrified to tell you how I feel. 'Cause I can't breathe. When you're with me. 'Cause we can leave it all behind. Living like we're young and in love again. Tell me that the feeling never changed. 'Cause I can't breathe. No, I can't
There's going to be good days. There's going to be tough days. There'll be good times and tough times. Don't let the highs get you too high. Don't let the lows get you too low. You keep your faith and find a way to enjoy the ride. You owe it to yourself to enjoy the ride.
I introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Griner.
You know, growing up as a younger brother, you always have this older example that you want to follow. You know, Erich did karate, I want to do karate. Erich did Boy Scouts, I want to do Boy Scouts. Erich would fling himself down a hill, I'd be right there with him. So, you know, having that example was always really important to me. And when you said that you met someone in law school, I kind of knew that it was the one. And I think you knew it too. So thanks again for giving a great example, not only growing up, but right now, Erich and Alex. Thanks for being a great example of love, devotion to each other, always supporting each other. And here's to many more years of happiness, devotion to each other, generosity. Here's to you guys. Congratulations.
We were choosing law schools, and Penn State was one of the last. It was an afterthought almost. We got on the road to Cleveland, and we got out a little ways, and Alex said, "You know, Dad, it was, I think I made my decision. I think it's Penn State." We made a U-turn. Okay, we made a U-turn. It kind of seems like random when you think about it was where you traveled from and how you got there. So is it a cumulative results of our decisions that we make? Is it luck? I don't think it's either of those things. You have God's plan guiding you to where you need to go. So that U-turn that we made to come back to Penn State and actually back home and here, I think it was more than just you and I making that decision. And so if you give it effort and you believe that God's plan is with you, that's the product of faith.
But when I see the smile run across your face and the sunrise lights up another day, I believe. I woke up and my whole world changed. You're the kind of love that gives me faith. I believe.
I, Eric, take you, Alexandra, to be my wife.
I, Alexandra, take you, Erich, to be my husband.
And I will love you, and I will honor you all the days of my life.
I promise to love you, and I promise to honor you all the days of my life.